time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room.
Good morning everyone. So today in this video we will have the topic that is determiners. Fine. So we have done this before, but we will this again so that you might be aware of small cons and pros, like the things and what are the things are included or that are not included. So that will help you in your examination whenever you are going to have these kind of things. Okay, these determiners are of I think 2 marks in your examinations. Fine. So let's start with this. Determiner is a word used before a noun to indicate which things or which people we are talking about. The words a, the, my, this, some. Okay, these are known as determiners. Fine. So for example, he is a good boy. Write down, students. Next is the boy you met is my friend. So these are the examples of determiners, and we will be having various kinds of determiners now. So there are many kinds of determiners. Start writing it, students. First, write down kinds of determiners. First, write down predeterminers. Okay, predeterminers. Secondly, write down articles. Second will be articles. Third, write down demonstrators. Demonstrators. Fourth, write down possessives. Possessives. Next, write down ordinals. 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 Next, write down cardinals, or we can say numbers. Cardinals, or we can say numbers. Write down cardinals, CARDINALS, cardinals slash numerals, we can say, or numbers. Write down numerals, not numbers. Numerals. Next, write down quantifiers. 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 FIERS. Quantifiers. Next, write down distributives. Eighth one is distributives. Ninth, distributives. Eighth. Ninth is interrogators. Last one is interrogators. Okay. So first, in predeterminers, first of all, write down these. Okay. Now let me explain each and every part of this kind of determiners. First is predeterminers. Okay, in this all of, half of, these are included. Okay, just do it. Okay, predeterminers are the words which occur before a determiner to limit the meaning of a noun. For example, all the boys joined the race. You will get all the information. He drank half of the milk. You will get all the information. She stayed there all of the time. Both the boys were present. He gets twice the pay that I get. He has rather a pleasant personality. What a mess you have made! Exclamatory mark. So, this was predeterminers. Now, next we will have articles. So, articles we all might be studying this since 4th class, I can say, or we can say 3rd class. A and the. Write down. Write down articles and write down a and the. Articles. A and the. Write down. These three are the articles. So let's have the reading. The article system in English consists of the definite article the. Okay, so the is definite article. Fine, the is definite article. And a and an, we can think of nouns in a specific or general way. When we refer to a particular people or things or someone that has already been mentioned or can be understood, we use the definite article the. When we refer to the singular nouns for the first time or refer to the things in a general way, we use the indefinite article a or an. So a and an is indefinite article. Hopefully you have understood these things. Okay, but we will go in depth for this topic because the topic the, that is definite article, that is very vast and very wide as well. The definite article the. We can use the definite article before any common noun. For example, he threw the ball into the river. You can write down these examples. The boys were not in the class. Now, next, we use the definite article to refer to specific persons or things. For example, I want to meet the principal in the school. The tourists crossed the river in the boat. The definite article is used to refer to the things that are only one in the world. For example, the moon and stars were shining in the sky. The sun sets in the west. The earth revolves around the sun. Now the next is, we use the definite article with the words such as school, university, prison when we are referring to a particular building. For example, they visit the school on Monday. I met him in the university. Fine. Okay. Next will be the definite article may be used with the countable nouns that are used in the singular to refer to things more general. For example, if you break the law, you will be punished. He played the violin for half an hour. Next, the definite article is used to refer to the parts of the body. For example, he caught him by the neck. There was an injury in the right eye. The definite article is used with time expressions. For example, I met her in the evening. She came here in the morning. We use the definite article before something that has already been mentioned. I met a man at the station. The man belonged to Tamil Nadu. The definite article is used before a noun that is followed by a relative clause or a prepositional phrase. The man I met at the station belonged to Haryana. He put the sweater on the table. The definite article is used to refer to familiar things we use regularly. She looked at the ceiling. Suddenly, the lights went out. The definite article is used before dates or periods of time. For example, we met on the 15th of October. It is a popular music of the 1940s. The definite article is generally used before a noun which is followed by of. This led to the destruction of the whole village. The burning of houses rendered people homeless. The definite article is used before the names of the seas, rivers, deserts, mountains. For example, the ship crossed the Pacific Ocean. Delhi stands on the banks of the Yamuna. The Sahara is the most famous desert. They come across the Himalayas. So now let's have the next one. The definite article is used before the names of large public buildings as well. They visited the Taj Mahal. They went out to the town hall. The definite article is used before the superlative adjectives. He is the best boy in the class. She is the most beautiful girl in the school. The definite article is used before adjectives such as rich, poor, deaf, dumb, blind to use them as a noun. The rich and the poor went to the fair. We should help the blind. We use a definite article before the nationals of the country or continent. For example, the Indians are very religious. Some of the Europeans live here. We use the definite article before the names of trains and ships. The Rajdhani Express is a very fast train. The Queen Elizabeth is a famous ship. Now it's till here it was about the definite article the. Now we will talk about indefinite articles a and the. The indefinite articles a and the are used when we talk about people in a general or indefinite way. Fine. The article a is used before the words which begin with consonant sounds and an is used before the words beginning with a vowel sound. This is the very basic thing you might have studied in class 4. So we use the article a before these words. He is a European. There is a unique idea. Theirs is a one-parent family. He is teaching at the university. We use an before words begin with a vowel sound. The girl bought an orange. He had an umbrella in his hand. He is an Indian. Some words begin with the silent, so we use an before them. He is an honest man. I met him an hour ago. He is an heir to the throne. I met him an hour ago. We use a or an before singular countable nouns as well. Kolkata is a big city. The dog is an animal. We use a or an before the names of the occupations and professionals. His father is an engineer. He is a pilot. When we use a before little and few, there is a change in the meaning of these words. A Jew. I said Jew. A Jew. Fine. It is used with plural countable nouns and a little with countable nouns. Uncountable nouns, sorry. Few means not many, while a few means a smaller number. Little means not much, while a little means some. Okay? This is a few. Okay? Next is, for example, few people visit this temple now. I know a few students of this school. There is little water in the bucket. There is a little milk in the bottle. We use a and before an adjective in a noun phrase. She is a good girl. She told me an interesting story. We use an with abbreviations beginning with the following letters: A, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, L, S. So write down these words, students. I am repeating: A, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S and X. They should have vowel sounds. Okay, the exceptional case is there that they should have vowel sound. For example, his father is an MP. So when we are speaking M, A is coming, MP. So we will put an. He is an NRI, NRI. Fine. She got an X-ray done, X-ray. We use the indefinite article before certain nouns considered as a single unit. She bought a knife and a fork. We write as F-O-R-K, but we pronounce as fork. The old lady had a cup and saucer in her hand. Next is demonstratives. Write down, students, demonstratives. Demonstratives are TH family words. Okay, in this, that, these, this, those, them, these word comes. The demonstrative determiners are used to talk about persons or things that have already been mentioned. This and these refer to the things that are near and can be seen. That and those are used to refer to the things that are at distance but can be seen. We live in this house for 4 years. She bought these books. Those boys are very mischievous. I like this school. I met her this week. This and that are used for singular nouns and these and those are for plural. You all might be aware of this and that, these and those. I told you the difference earlier as well. You can lift that box. Can you lift that box? Question mark. Would you like to buy those books? Question mark. These boys have done their work. I have already met that man. Next, write down possessives. Next determiner is possessives. Write down what are possessives, students. Yesterday also we talked about possessives or first person pronouns. We talk about that. These are a kind of say. For example, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are say. The possessives are used to show possession. He is my uncle. Our neighbor is a rich man. Your daughter is beautiful. What is her age? Question mark. What is his name? Question mark. Do you know its value? Their house is very big. Next is ordinals. So students, when we say in English like he came first in the class or he came second in the class, he sits at the last bench. So what are these? These are ordinals. Fine. The ordinals show what position something has in the series. For example, first, second, next, last. These are the ordinals. Let's have examples. He is the first boy who has joined this school. I shall meet him the next week. He is the last man to help you. Now, cardinals. Cardinals are 1, 2, 3, 100, 1,000, millions, etc. Cardinals are ordinary numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. They show how many of something there are. For example, there were only 10 books in the class. She lived for 80 years. He has 2 daughters. I met 3 young men at the station. He balanced himself on 1 foot. Next is quantifiers. So quantifier, write down students, much, some, several, a lot of, both, all. These are quantifiers in which quantity is being measured. What is the quantity of anything going on over here? So the quantifiers refers to the quantity of things or amount of something. For example, there were some people at the airport. Plenty of people would like to have your job. They didn't make such progress. There is no milk in the bottle. There is no milk in the bottle. There is enough powder in the can. I have forgotten some of the details. They had enough guests already. All children enjoyed the show. There was little water in the jug. It has not made any difference to me. He drank a lot of water. So these were the examples. Now next is distributives. When we talk about distributives, what does this mean? Distributive, students, means what kind of distribution we are having. We are distributing anything like if we are distributing notebooks, are we distributing to every person, every student, or each of the student? Okay, so each, every, either, neither, these are the words come under distributives. Distributives determiners refer to each single member of a group. For example, each is used when we talk about the members of a group individually, and every when we make a general statement. Both are followed by a singular countable noun. He met each guest. The minister visited every flood affected area. I agree with every word he says. Each request will be considered. Either is used to talk about two things, but usually indicates that only one of the two is involved. Either of the two girls should come here. Neither is the negative of neither. Neither is the negative of neither member came to attend the meeting. Either can also mean people stood in either side of the road. Neither is followed by a singular person. Neither boy said anything. Neither answer is correct. Now interrogatives. When we talk about interrogatives, what we talk? What, which, whose, WH family students write down. Write down interrogatives. And interrogatives, in the last class I told you, interrogatives basically mean the questions. When we talk about interrogatives, it simply means questions, WH family. Okay, plus how, what, how, which, whose, why. These are the words come in interrogatives, which you all are aware of. Interrogative determiners are used for asking questions. Okay, what subjects are you studying? Which color do you like the most? Whose house is this? Now, let's have some exercises, students. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Write down the questions, students. First, write down. She has not solved. She has not solved dash sums. Dash sums. Brackets, write down many or any. Many or any. Second, write down boys have done dash boys have done their work. Bracket is that or these. He is dash boy who has joined the gym. He is dash boy who has joined this gym. In bracket, write down first, comma, whose, brackets close. I met her dash week. I met her dash week. In brackets, write down this, comma, those. So these are the questions you have to do, and you just have to mail me on the same mail ID. It has not been changed, and you just have to send the clicks after the completion of the work. Complete your notebooks, send your work students as soon as possible, as you will be coming very soon over here. Okay, if you feel like you are having doubts, you can ask on the mail, fine, and you can ask on the portal as well. As I'm uploading the homework daily basis, you have to send me the clicks on daily basis. Okay, there is a record, we are making the records that whosoever is not sending the homework and whosoever is sending the notebook and the clicks on mail. So be very vigilant about this, complete your work. Okay, now I'm ending the video. Take care, have a nice day everyone.